Welcome to Supercar Studio, your destination for exploring the world of high-end automotive design and innovation. Today we are diving into the stunning interior of a luxury car from South Korea, currently showcased in an elite showroom setting. This 2025 model redefines what it means to blend futuristic tech with premium comfort, offering an experience that is as thrilling as it is sophisticated. As you first step into the cabin, the interior immediately impresses with its seamless design and elegant materials. The dashboard is a masterpiece of minimalism and technology, featuring a full-width LED panel that merges the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment system. This display is ultra-responsive and customizable, allowing drivers to personalize their experience down to the finest detail. From navigation to entertainment and vehicle diagnostics, everything is at your fingertips with smooth, intuitive controls. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin with soft LED accents that can be adjusted in color and brightness to match your mood or driving conditions. These lights extend from the dashboard through the door panels and even under the seats, creating a lounge-like atmosphere. The use of premium materials such as brushed aluminum, fine leather, and sustainable wood trim adds to the refined ambiance, giving the interior a modern yet warm character. The seats are designed for maximum comfort on both long journeys and short commutes. Featuring ventilation, heating, and multi-point massage functions, they are wrapped in perforated leather with contrast stitching for a sporty yet luxurious feel. Rear passengers are equally pampered, with ample legroom, reclining seats, and access to their own digital control panel for climate and media. Another highlight of this 2025 model is its advanced climate control system. It uses sensors and AI to monitor cabin conditions and automatically adjust temperature and airflow for optimal comfort. The air purifier built into the system ensures a clean and allergen-free environment, perfect for urban driving or longer highway cruises. In terms of connectivity and tech, the interior boasts wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, a high-end surround sound system tuned by a renowned audio brand, and a smart assistant that responds to natural voice commands. The center console is touch-sensitive and slides open to reveal extra storage and hidden cup holders, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look when not in use. Every detail has been carefully thought out, from the ergonomic steering wheel with haptic feedback to the panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. The integration of augmented reality in the head-up display takes navigation to a new level, projecting directions directly onto the road ahead. This South Korean luxury car is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the experience, the comfort, and the innovation that make every drive special. For more automotive insights and exclusive looks into top-tier vehicles, make sure you subscribe to Supercar Studio and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video.